will talk about how can you pay ATMs on your Amazon shopping app. So you just follow this ways and it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so you just scrolling down here until you will find here this ATMs here. I'm going to click here for here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. I'm going to, for example, you pay this ATM here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You're scrolling down here. Here can you select type and here color. So then you just, and here can you select country here. Click on pay now. So then you just return to open with you here. And here can you pay over time with Affirm here if you have it. So can you use this or select methods here, click on add now. And here can you add credit or debit card or add personal checking account. So then it's going to pay with you. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.